Hey there friends, let's take a look at the October 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. First we're going to check out this monthly kit. Let's take a look what's in this monthly kit. So I always like to look at the die cuts first. If you watch my videos you know that. Lots of circles, that's the first thing that jumps out at me. Lots of circles this month, you have some icons. I love the stripes in those beautiful fall colors. I really like the subdued teal too, that makes me really happy. Just the overall vibe of these die cuts is feeling really calm and relaxing to me, perfect for fall. I love this pumpkin spice season. I love my favorite cozy spot, so good. You have a little blue coffee cup label there. Love this favorite. Lots of just kind of labels and boxes and these two-tone kind of labels. Really fun die cuts this month. We also have 3 4x6 cards. Let's take a look at those. Oh, this pretty blue, and it has a dot. It's a really subtle tone-on-tone dot pattern behind it. Thankful for this. So cute with the leaves, and there you have your seal and the circles again, and there's that awesome stripe. I can definitely see myself using this on as a header pocket in my monthly pocket pages. And then we have the 3x4s. The cute little houses. I love this color combination, the pink and the orange. Oh my goodness. Oh man, look at that. That's like a tone-on-tone spider web. Love it. Awesome leaves. 1, 2, and 3 in blue. Uh-oh, fingers aren't working here. Oh, the speech bubbles in fall colors. This is my favorite. I think that might be my favorite tag this month. A green shipping tag, quotations. Ooh, blue, black with the sparkles in gold. That's really pretty. And this is really fun too. The moons, stages of the moon, Monday through Sunday, and kind of like a khaki. Sparkles on a journaling tag. 5 reasons why I love this season. So fun. Love this autumn day in green. You also have this journaling tag in green that coordinates perfectly. And oh my gosh, look at these labels. So a leaf, a pumpkin, and a coffee cup. And then you have the blue journaling tag here. So really calm colors this month. I'm feeling these like calming fall vibes from this kit. Now let's take a look and see what else we have that coordinates with it. Okay, these are the journaling grid tags, and what's cool about these is you have space for journaling, but you also have a space to add an icon and kind of a title at the top. So you get 8 of these in a package, so if you like to add a lot of journaling, you need kind of some space for your Document December album to add more journaling, these would be perfect for that. We also have these beautiful October labels in that like two-tone, like kind of a block style, and I love those colors, those kind of almost like a pastel fall color scheme. Really excited about these, and I think you guys will be too. These are the Thankful die cuts, and as usual you get a huge stack of die cuts here, so I'm going to try to get them out in an organized way here. Wait till you see how our design team has used these too. So many great projects with these this month. So take a look. We have numbers in blue, so all the way up from 1 to 10. Love those. Then we have a two-tone number with that kind of classic large Jane font in 1 through 5. Love that teal 1 through 5 for those. You have a smaller number set where it says number before it in a circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in gray. So you have 3 sets of numbers. You have stars and heart die cuts in fall colors. You have these little Thankful For labels. You have these Thankful For labels. These are really fun too. They look like tickets, Thankful For and the date. So if you're doing a gratitude album, this die set is awesome. You definitely need this. Then you have the Thankful For tickets in those beautiful fall colors. Now take a look here. We always talk about how much our stuff coordinates here at Elle Studio, but take a look at how beautifully these coordinate from the October labels over to this die cut set. Awesome, right? So we have those. Then we have two, I think three. Maybe I've dropped one. Shipping tags, or maybe two. So this one says thankful for with the date, and then you have this really pretty teal one that says thankful 01. So awesome die cut set this month. Definitely a must-have. I think that one's gonna be the popular product this month. We also have gray cardstock label stickers, so another staple in the shop. We are all about kind of staples in your paper crafting, and labels are great for adding extra journaling, putting on a title, or layering with your embellishments. Then we have the Cozy Tile Chipboard. I'm really excited about the possibilities of these in titles, you guys. Cozy, home, thankful, family, homemade, gather together, fun, and story. All in those beautiful fall colors. That beautiful Elle Studio chipboard that's so nice and smooth and matte, which I love. I love our chipboard so much. And if you love chipboard, you're going to need these too. These are the Chipboard Houses. So you have houses, I think there's 20 total. Yep, there's 20 total houses. There's 3 different rows of hearts, all in those beautiful colors that coordinate so perfectly with the kit, with this Cozy Tile chipboard. So you have 2 different chipboard sets this month. Then we have the black puffy alphabet stickers. So if you've been waiting for these to come back in the shop, now is your chance to snag those. Another awesome staple. Everyone loves our puffy alphabet stickers. They're just a great font and a great size. For the stamps, we have the Autumn Days stamp. And what I love about this stamp are the leaves. And then you have the veins and the leaves. So many beautiful like color combinations that you can come up with there. I also really love the sparkles. I'm all about the sparkles. This Thankful for This, you saw that on that 4x6 card this month, that tag. And we have that here, that seal for you. Then we have the Stages of the Moon. How fun is that, right? Great for Halloween. So lots of great things here on the Autumn Days stamp. And last but not least, if you love date stamps, if you love creating your own planner, this Tiniest Date stamp is where it's at. So you have all your months, all your days, and then you have your months in in short form. You have all your days in short form. You have all the numbers up to 31. You have little labels here for adding the date in. You have a date line. You have another date label here. And you have the seal. So many awesome things on this stamp. So many possibilities with this one, you guys. Whether it's in pockets, layouts, anything. Awesome, like staple date stamp. Thanks so much for joining me as I unbox the October 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. I hope you love these new products as much as I do, and I can't wait to see how you use them to record your autumn memories. Be sure to check out the notes in my video by clicking that down arrow so that you can find out more about becoming a monthly kit subscriber, which will allow you to get discounts, freebies, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating with your October 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio.